Dan with 3D Auto Repair here. Today we're going to talk about a funny / semi-dangerous situation. We had a vehicle pull in and they were complaining about the car not wanting to stop correctly. Hadn't realized that somewhere along the way somebody took a pair of vice grips and pinched off the brake hose to the rear caliper on the vehicle. The reason why they had done that is because the brakes were so totally wore out that the piston pushed out of the caliper and it was just pushing fluid out there, not providing any braking assistance whatsoever, and actually robbing some of the braking power from the rest of the system. We definitely don't recommend putting a pair of vice grips on your brake hose. We do realize that that might be able to get you by to get you down to the shop to get your vehicle repaired, but in the essence of safety, we really recommend, if you have that big of an issue, that maybe getting it towed in would be the safest option. That being said, if you are experiencing some brake trouble with your vehicle or maybe a loss of pedal pressure and you're not sure what exactly is going on, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free brake inspections. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.